really enjoy these renderings because they show the little pieces that need to be attended to. And we can see over here, I need to fix this. So let's go back to the floor plan. And I know that's in this area here. So I'll simply grab this guy, bring my section over there and go to the view. And it's right here. So it looks like when I picked my subfloor, I didn't go all the way over to the edge of the wall, so I need to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do to clean this up is I'm going to go to Modify and Align, and I'm going to tab and align this to there. So that's correct. Second thing I need to do is this wall really needs to go up to this height. And so now I have to change my structure. So let's click on that dashed line and say Edit Boundary. Now we're going to go to the second floor structure. And let's see what's going on here. There's the edge of my 2x12s, but there's the edge of my bond area now. So I'll align that. So I'm going to align this guy to this guy and say OK. So now my structure moved to the right location. Let's go back to that section and see what I did. Yeah, now my structure's right, but my floor is not. So let's see if we can edit that boundary. I want to go to my, I think the second floor might work here. So we'll open up the view. And sure enough, this plywood subfloor needs to go all the way across to the face of the gypsum board. So I want to align. I use my tab key until my plywood went over there. I'll say OK to that. Do not ever want my floors to go up to that. So again, we'll go back to this view. Look at that. Now my structural system, framing system, goes up to the bond where it's supposed to be. And now all I have to do is architecture, component, model in place. It is a wall. We'll say OK. And I'm going to do an extrusion. Revit says pick a plane. So there's a plane right there. I'm still going to say -10 and +10. And we'll see what the effect of that is when I look at my section. It's the gypsum wallboard. I just checked to make sure the material was correct. So this guy is 20 feet long, but let's take a look at what it looks like. If I went to this section right now, I wouldn't be able to see this because my view range or depth of view isn't far enough, but it is now. I will go to that view, zoom out. There's my gypsum board. I'm going to stretch it over to here. And then I will grab the other end, which is here, and stretch it right up to that gypsum board. Now it should be okay. So this is the area where I put the gypsum board in, and now I have a nice, smooth, flat gypsum board wall. And as I sit here and look at this, I can zoom over here, zoom in real close and see that, yeah, I remember this cabinet sticks out too far and I need to realign it. I remember that from when we were working on the kitchen. But this is just another tutorial showing how to clean up the little bits.